Importing automotive upholstery materials. Welcome to my channel, where we explore the world of customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we'll be discussing the process of importing automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics into the USA for auto upholstery shops. As an auto upholstery shop owner or someone interested in the automotive industry, it's essential to understand the customs procedures, regulations, and considerations involved in importing these materials. So, let's dive into this comprehensive guide. Identify the specific automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics. Before importing, it's important to identify the specific upholstery materials and fabrics you need for your auto upholstery shop. This includes upholstery, vinyl, leather, cloth, foam padding, headliner material, and any other materials used in automotive interior restoration or customization. Research import regulations and restrictions. Research and familiarize yourself with the import regulations and restrictions pertaining to automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics. This includes customs duties, tariffs, import permits, and any specific restrictions on certain materials. Harmonized System (HS) Code Classification. Determine the correct Harmonized System (HS) code for the automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics you are importing. The HS code classifies the goods for customs purposes and determines the applicable duties and regulations. Preparing required documentation. Gather all the required documentation for importing automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics. This may include commercial invoices, packing lists, certificates of origin, purchase orders, and any other relevant documents. Compliance with safety and regulatory standards. Ensure that the automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics you import comply with safety and regulatory standards set by the U.S. government, such as flammability, color fastness, or toxicity requirements. Finding reputable suppliers. Source your automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics from reputable suppliers. It's important to establish relationships with reliable suppliers who can provide high-quality products and proper documentation for customs purposes. Engage a licensed customs broker. Engaging a licensed customs broker is highly recommended to navigate the customs procedures and regulations involved in importing automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics. Customs brokers have the expertise to handle the paperwork and ensure compliance with customs requirements. Understanding customs duties and tariffs. Be aware of the customs duties and tariffs applicable to the specific automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics you are importing. Customs brokers can assist in calculating the expected costs and ensuring accurate tariff classification. Import permits and licenses. Verify whether you need any import permits or licenses for the automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics you plan to import. Some materials may require additional documentation to satisfy regulatory requirements. Complying with labeling and marking requirements. Ensure that the imported automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics comply with labeling and marking requirements. Labels should include essential information such as fiber content, country of origin, and any other required markings. Customs entry preparation. Work with your customs broker to prepare the necessary customs entry documentation, including the appropriate customs forms, invoices, and supporting paperwork. Thorough and accurate documentation is crucial for a smooth customs clearance process. Customs bond requirement. Consider obtaining a customs bond, which is a type of insurance that guarantees payment of duties and taxes to U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP. A customs broker can assist in determining whether a customs bond is required for your imports. Customs entry and clearance process. Upon arrival of the automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics, your customs broker will submit the customs entry and facilitate the customs clearance process. They will coordinate with CBP to ensure compliance with all customs procedures. Duty payment and customs fees. Pay the applicable customs duties and fees once the customs clearance process is complete. Failure to pay these fees can result in delays and additional penalties. Working with a freight forwarder. Consider working with a freight forwarder to handle the logistics of transporting your automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics from the supplier to your auto upholstery shop. They can arrange shipping, tracking, and delivery to ensure a smooth process. Quality control and inspection. Upon receipt of the imported automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics, conduct a thorough inspection for quality control purposes. Ensure that the materials meet your specifications and expectations. Compliance with environmental regulations. Dispose of any packaging or waste materials in an environmentally responsible manner. Automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics may require special disposal procedures to comply with environmental regulations. Ongoing compliance and record keeping. Maintain records of your imports, including invoices, customs documentation, and any relevant compliance certificates. These records should be kept for a specified period of time to satisfy customs requirements. Staying informed about industry trends and regulations. Stay up to date with industry trends and regulations related to automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics. This will help you adapt to changes and ensure compliance as automotive trends and regulations evolve. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive guide to importing automotive interior upholstery materials and fabrics for auto upholstery shops. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the customs procedures, regulations, and considerations involved in importing these materials. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos on customs brokerage and related topics. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates. Until next time, happy importing and auto upholstery!